welcome back to the Poor Valley Princess channel. I am Beth Morgan, and today we're out of the kitchen and we're in the garden because the time has come to get it ready. And so today we have put our cattle panel and hog panel fences up for the tomato plants, and we're getting ready to get those set out today. So yay! And we had some nosy supervision going on here as well. Now, once these tomato plants have grown tall enough that I can attach them to the cattle panel, I will do that and let them start growing up the fence. But I will take off all the leaves from the bottom of the cattle panel down to the soil and leave the one stem. This is going to allow airflow and keeps my plants healthy.